busy. Dito dito Dubai, ada Dubai ini na ang walang laway. Then pala, laway kausan tikray, ulo agaga, pininin ko sa mata.
A few moments later.
The day you kiss my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this, no, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like almost like we own the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. That's not the love was almost done, but we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And when I did say, and I don't see everyone else take a ride with me, baby, maybe one more time. Baby, bitch, I feel like me, all the best when we were young. Singing at the top of all our lungs. Now we're under the covers. Fast forward.
Siyempre, kailangan natin yan. Guys, nandito kami, karaban namin. Seseyo.
Oh. Shoutout
Shoutout sa mga Team Pure Gold.
Team Victory.
Victoron Mall. Pure Gold. Dito po kami sa Barangay Kailip. Tropa, pagod. Kapoy. Kapoy. Guys, dito kami guys.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
Guys, shoutout guys. Dito kami
Boy,
ngayon.
boy, shout out na boy. Boy, shout out. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
Guys, bili na kayo dito guys.
For today's video,
Dito kami sa Barangay Kaingin.
dito po gaganapin yung para. Ayan po yung mga bata. Basket.
Ayun ko saan?
Wala, nanonood ka na naman ng post ko. Tapos mamaya sasabihin mo na naman, ikaw na naman ang pinapatamaan. Nakakasanayan mo na yan.